Welcome back. Goa will get Centre for Cardiovascular and Thoracic Sciences faculty in GMC. Health Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar announced inauguration of the centre on Tuesday. He inspected the section on Monday. The outgoing Special Public Prosecutor Advocate Rajiv Gomes has lashed out at the government after his revocation as Special PP from Ruby collapse case. Advocate Rajiv has suspected the government of shielding key accused in the building collapse case. The Madgaon court on Monday reserved the orders on both the former chief officer's bail plea till 24th February. Deputy Town Planner Prakash Bandodkar's judicial custody has been extended by 14 more days.
The Margaon District and Sessions Court on Monday heard the bail plea of arrested accused Chief Officer Deepak Desai and has reserved the orders of both Deepak and Pradeep Naik till 24th. The judicial remand of Deputy Town Planner Prakash Bandodkar has been increased by 14 days. The order of appointment of Special Public Prosecutor Advocate Rajiv Gomes was revoked on Monday. Regular Public Prosecutor Advocate Sarojini Sardina argued on Monday. Advocate Rajiv Gomes is very upset with the government and now doesn't expect any convictions to happen in this case. Listen into what the outgoing PP says.
I disagree with the reason for my revocation. I feel the media is a fourth estate and the media should be told all what happens in the course of the investigation as long as final details and secrets of investigation are not revealed.
Rajiv, you wanted to say that government is shielding somebody?
Definitely, this because of the government is shielding somebody that this order has come. Otherwise, there was no other reason. If merely because I was addressing the media was the reason to revoke my appointment, I think they could have told me not to address. But there was no reason to revoke my appointment because I could have still continued my work without addressing the media also. As a politician, there are some more bureaucrats who are involved in this. They are trying to protect them.
The judge on Monday lashed out at the investigation unit. She said everyone except the special investigative team is getting info about the prime accused builders. The future of Deepak Desai and Pradeep Naik will be decided on coming Monday. Pratik Parab for Prudent.
BJP leader Dr. Wilfred Miskita has opposed transfer of casino licenses. He said BJP is opposing it on the basis of principle. Miskita further cleared that at present gambling rules are being framed and party will convey its sentiments to the government once the policy is ready. Chief Minister Parrikar had earlier hinted at a provision for casino license transfer under new casino policy.
CM has made a statement that the transfer policy is being drafted as part of that forum policy. Is BJP supporting transfer of casino from one person?
I told you no, you asked me the same question. Just now you asked me.
You don't support?
No.
So if government has this policy, you are going to oppose it?
No, government we can oppose, but government must listen to us. They may have other compulsion, I don't know. But as far as on principle, no.
No, but it is your personal statement or your
No, it is at party level. We are not in favor of transfer.
So have you told this to the Chief Minister?
No, I have not told you because they have not asked me.
No, they have not asked you.
We meet when
he
probably wants to do. He probably wants to do. He'll ask probably because probably doesn't have in mind.
Means you have not told them?
No.
So you are against transfer?
Yes.
A major tragedy was averted at Kuli on Monday. The damaged bridge connecting Kuli Cafe collapsed. The demolition work of the bridge was supposed to start on Tuesday. Locals from the area say that the bridge collapsed with the weight of an earth mover. One of the earth mover was also trapped in the debris. The bridge was shut for since last 15 days.
कशी मोडपाची ते ते म्हणटा हे जालें ते तसो मोडपाचो म्हणून तो पडले म्हणटा
आज हे जे कुपलीन आसा मोडपा हाडले ते देंवले कशें
ते हांवें बी पळयलें ना हांवें जेन्ना देंवलो तेन्ना हांव हांगा पावलो तेन्ना ते म्हणपा हांगा विचारपा टॅक्निकल मनीस कोण ना हे सायडीचो एकलो बी टॅक्निकल मनीस ना
तो वयर गेल्यार सामको वीक आशिल्लो तो मातसो मुखावेलें हें जालें घसरलें सकयल गेला पयल्या दिश्टी पडटा तो सामको वीक आशिल्लो ब्रीज
दिसना हेजे वयल्यान आज बॉल यांचो हेजून गाडी बी
गाडी योग्य टायमार मोडलो तो आनी जर थोडे दीस राविल्ले हेवी व्हेकल पडटा
केन्ना म्हणून स्टार्ट करता
हा स्टार्ट न्ही स्टार्टिंग विदिन 3 months कंप्लीट बिफोर मंथ्स एक्चुअली 90 days कवर दिसांचो.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.